You're going to love the 2004 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.